Does anyone take care of you? So that you are not stranded?
Syederalun Muhammad Fairuz yang merupakan aktivis Rohingya juga salah satu pengungsi yang terdampar mengaku mereka berasal dari kamp Kutapalong, Bangladesh. Kamp tersebut merupakan subkamp ketiga terbesar setelah Cox's Bazar. Ia sendiri mengaku bahwa berangkat dari Bangladesh menggunakan kompas yang sudah ada di dalam kapal yang dinaiki. Sebanyak 184 pengungsi Rohingya yang terdampar di pesisir pantai Kuala Giging, Kecamatan Masjid Raya, Aceh Besar pada Minggu 8 Januari 2023 kemarin menjalani karantina kesehatan di UPTD Rumoh Sejahtera Ladong pada Senin 9 Januari 2023. Swab antigen ada pengecekan kesehatan lainnya, itu dilakukan oleh tim karantina kesehatan Pelabuhan Kelas 2 Banda Aceh. Proses pengecekan kesehatan itu dilakukan secara bertahap oleh petugas. Selain swab antigen, para pengungsi itu juga diambil sampel darah.
How was your experience on the ship?
Actually, we come on the 10th December. Then we have some food. Then after 15 or 18 or 22 days, then our food is finished. Then we don't have anything. Then and then the 26 days, then our engine is broken. Our engine machine is broken. Then we don't have fuel. And then we asked everyone shooting with the Mazi. We told them, Mazi, where you are doing like that, we have to, where we are doing like that, where are we right now, where we are right now, we don't know where is the place. And then he found a little ship, then he is gone. But then we didn't know how to drive, we didn't know what to do. Then here is some fishermen, then they know how to drive, then they are coming to them.
But how do you feel on the ship? What was the exciting?
Everyone is sick. Because I don't know exactly everyone is sick because they do not eat anything, they do not drink the water.
Can you tell me about where coordinate point? And you see coordinate in the compass or handphone or smartphone?
Dari Banda Aceh, Indra Wijaya, serambinews.com.